This is the other half of my frying pan that I just finished. That frying pan right there is actually the lid for this frying pan. Dutch oven, frying pan, whatever. They go on top of each other. But all my cast iron sat around for a couple, 2-3 years. I only used a little bit of it. So I'm having to re-go through everything and re-season it. But I'm having the time of my life. So this is the start. I've scrubbed it down, I cleaned it. So let's give it a go. Heat that baby up. Heat it up to smoke. You guys take care.